Hello everyone. So here in this demo, I wanted to look at NVIDIA's analyst price targets and how it changed over time. So NVIDIA just reported yesterday. So I want to look at how price targets have been changing over the last couple of years or so. So we have a source for this, a widget for this. I believe we have this price target widget from Intrinio. It's one of the licensed data sets we have through OpenBB. So it actually comes with like a nice looking chart, but the chart is a different focus than what I'm interested in. So basically every dot is a broker. By the way, this is Apple. So first let's just switch to NVIDIA. So every dot is a broker. So I'm not interested in every broker. Let's say that I'm interested in the time series of how certain brokers that I care about, how they change their view on NVIDIA. So I'm going to add this to context. And I prepped some prompts, so I'm just going to put this on and just go over with you. So here's what I wanted to do. So I'm asking the Copilot to keep only Citi, Barclays, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman estimates for price target. So I want to build this into a line chart. So I want to see some intermediate data in which I have a time series and the broker estimates on the columns. And once I have that set up, I just wanted to go to the final step and plot this out for me. So there you go. Let's export this intermediate piece because sometimes it's useful on its own right. So here's actually the time series of when brokers change their price target, or these particular four that I care about. So when I see that the price target has changed in the following way, let's just basically sort it decreasing in time. So there you go. So I can play around with this. Let's say I want to create my own custom consensus. I can work with the Copilot, add this to the context and try to refill this data, create a custom consensus of these four brokers that I care about or something like that. But let's say I'm just interested in the chart. I can export the chart separately. So if you can toggle the chart here and get something quite similar, but Copilot already did this for us. So there you go. If you like the output in the new user interface, you can give Copilot a little thumbs up here. There you go. Thanks for your feedback.